si no munne I don't know Ogechi, don't know me. Amara mo nyobu. So even I say na akwa nwanne gi. Don't spell me that with Ndigbo. I'm gonna go better be Igbo adeja. Sem no munne. Oh guy, you know go do sheshe. Oh, these are the main problem. Ogechi get out 6 years in prison. These are the main reason why Tojuku Nwaoba. These are the main reason why Ogechi get just spend the 6 years. Onwede yana ko mwana hapo Ogechi angorom kai. Before I will forgive Ogechi Njaka, she must come. We go to doctor. Get on detention. This is my opportunity to catch out that Ogechi. Because no kure say that na get that test. Let blogger carry this news. Let bloggers carry this news. Meanwhile, my petition came 60 leaves of loads. Madam Justice name came my own. Ogechi must carry me to test. She went and be complaining to doctors. Now, what did they not have a go to? The same one the police Ogechi wager. I get test him. Oh, Bruna, Nifo get the Oku, Bezioku. I will replace Ogechi that police. Naga knows a man, never an church, it's not a base watch. About the problem I walk and I got to them and I all since so much video, Kawaji problem. A wage the innocent boy came with because of he Ogechi video. Oneka no that's happen Ogechi, more about Jpac. My own petition behave here prison. Madam Justice is going no other say interested. Also, why Ogechi be that one a prison? I am really my petition ye budget prison. That's right why Ibuamo. Today, these people have deceived you, bring you back to Nigeria. Mawagwata here, Mezugo, Kenzen Kara Edinogo, Hanine, Rabataga Nigeria. Now, who will be able to come to Abuja and sign for your shorty? No, nobody. They cannot come to Abuja, they cannot near that place. Makosayono, Mezugo, Mankadiga Edinogo. Or what are you going to any Interpol office? Nobody. Even as I speak to you, our daddy Bukobi cannot come because no matter go nkebe zoku. Abogede onya boy gazetted criminal. Onye because he cannot, as a man of God, he cannot put his hand. Because Ogechi believe na daddy Bukobi ya be babatam. Orumbe daddy be chopota evangelist Bukobi chopota. No onya bo onye ohi. Onya she would dent your image. Because of like you were because of Ofumronye, you were lose all the thousands of souls turning into her Christ. You were because of Ogechi, you were lose all thousands of souls turning into her Christ. You better leave that person, let the person go. All the people Ogechi trust today, happen because when they knew her lifestyle, everybody said Kwenu. Everybody said Kwenu. So we better say Jpac. I munne. Yes, I munne. Yes. Kai munne say I say one day we're able to do one day you
guys cannot do anything without hoping for another person's court date. Hey, I thought you okay. According to what you said, you said you can do something without seeing me. So why are you worried to hold me? You said you guys can facilitate and do everything, that I must not be there. Why are you now worried to see me? If they smuggled me as you claimed, why are you worried? You see how all of you bingos. Well, I don't worry, madam call on a bingo. Anyway, I don't want to discuss about her until December 2nd. What I go? I have listened, I have come down until December 2nd. Come back because me. And I don't even talk anything. Make I hold my peace until after December 2nd. Hey, what I go? By then, I am a zencha. Your skin is very beautiful and shaped. Thank you. Yes, I have a very nourished skin. And when stretch mark in my body, no stretch mark, no nothing. That's why I hate bleaching. I hate bleaching with passion. I run away from bleach. Anything bleaching. Count me out. I'm not involved. I don't have anything against you, but it's not me. show me how like game. I show something. The wagama who tomorrow. No, what made you natural? I like it. Thank you for the compliment. You want to go? Thank you so much. I'm super at home like this. At home the kamek. No talk. No la la la. So for those of you that are telling you, why are you worried about Ogechi? Excuse me, you cannot be saggering me behind him. That's why I don't talk. I see you as a criminal. I see you as a bandit. You will always deceive all these your criminals. Excuse me, why are you hiding looking for justice? You should be proud. You call you to be called Patrane. And can't record the Yaga Bitore Wahako she dina. What I go? And can't record the Yaga Bito. I gonna listen to my TikTok everywhere. Cause she bitotina one. So we don't give a fuck. On your basa. I told him, no. The thing is that actually you give you other people you cannot be under dark and telling people, giving people hope. Other people you're telling Governor that bandits and this affection that they should not worry. Hey, because you're hiding under the dark. You are freaking hiding under the fucking dark. You said you're fucking disappointed at them. Saga may be to be. I say, what can I get you do? What can I do? I'm not saying what can you guys do. We are not talking about what can you do. No, you know here, nigga. I know here, nigga. He collects, Saga, he collects. I'm not collecting. It's not about him, game. I never said I would do anything. And so shall it be. No Jupiter can stop it. What can I get you to? What? No, what I can do is my Saga mouth. Saga, nothing more. I got a woman. I never a woman like one. And another say, person come Nigeria, come near and she. Oh, you know, I'm not a mother, I'm not a killer, I'm not a poison, I'm not anything. Kamchi. But I want to come. So, but you are afraid of that or no? That is why you are hiding under the dark. Deceiving all this your bingos. Every time you have started talking about after dark, something that never existed. This is how you cook one story. See why I don't talk to you. Because actually, don't be a coward and be hiding. I'm behind le kwa kaka parian hu gina emega ka eshi bupute ya na akwa family ya na even anum shwanyi ya wa mana chineke ka oji noro dia. So but so you can collect what others are collecting. Stop criminalizing all these people, scamming them, hiding under the dark. You are a criminal and you're deceiving people. You are the one that came out few months ago or a few weeks back and guaranteed these people. They were assured that Ogechi can never. Now we're a series and series of court cases. That's how can I run? Now I put the answer. Can't you see how useless all your bingos are? Now you're telling them you don't have the answer. You that gave them full assurance that he knows that Ogechi can never step out. All those videos, they are fake, they are this. Now you are also telling this useless set of people that, you see why I just ignored you? Because I know that you're really useless. A man who lives in a mud house. A mud house that Onyara cannot even live in. More than that, even you're telling them, you met me face to face. You that was running. When I do like this one, this idiot, these people we are smelling like the police Jpac in the that one, don't worry, that case is coming. I'm a lot of people I know about it. Now me go bring them. Come to go December 2nd. Actually, nobody go get peace. Nah, no, come. And when him give me one woman. And him get you through. I'm not go kill any person. I'm not go come any person. I'm not go rape any person. I'm not go do anything. Oh no man. This my mouth. Oh him get that tune. Unu na-achụ mma na-achụ unu. Awụ unu m nara Nigeria. Unu aga kwuo nga m na-eri nri ka ha nye m poison. Awụ unu na Nigeria m na-aga kwuo ndị kidnapper ka ha gbagbuo m. So I don't do all that. Ihe anyị ji wọnụ. So keep brainwashing these your rats. You brainwash them, I don't give a fuck. Keep giving them courage and a happy. But you have not showed your face because you were a criminal. You know that if you know that what you're saying, all these men they put outside in a jihuha, put a family. So telling, oh, why are you worried about Ogechi Okeke? Why are you running about Ogechi Okeke? And you're pushing others to come out. And you're hiding. As I guess where you sit here like this name a program. Thank you, Goma. Thank you, my love. Stop deceiving others. Puta. I get you to 10 a.m. when I never been to government house before around 10 a.m. I have never gone there. Anytime they go there, daytime, and thank you, my love. And anytime I was going, I was doing video. And what do you hear the midnight? What do you hear the all this is just to lie to all these criminals. I saw you filing a paper. This is the criminal syndicate. I saw you went to filing a paper. And he did not acknowledge that because they are all criminals. Abramun, even you that is hiding, it's just a matter of time. Thank you, my love. Thank you for the gifters on TikTok. Thank you. Come on, I am on it. It may take time, but you, your wife, it's just a matter of time. You can't hide forever. Get that assurance and go and market someplace. What does now collect a family Ghana hide? It's not being done. It's not being done. Go and mark today's states. It's not gonna be done. It may take 5 years. It may take 10 years. It may take 10 years. But be rest assured that I may say, but to me get no mammy. Mark today's dates. You kata. I know they mado. I know they person. I know they do anything. You want to go? But I'm gonna go. I will get to the grassroots of your upbringing. If you guys can put me through this in Nigeria, if you guys can put me through this and you think I cannot read, you're just lying. Keep deceiving them. They smuggled Ogechi out of prison. So you are accusing the prisoners that has Mogromo out of. You see why you cannot show your face? Why can't you be a man and be responsible of the things you say? Because you're a coward. Even the day you was hiding, running so camera against the tegi. You was hiding. Now also so camera cannot get you. That stark illiterate Jpac cannot put up a writing but share the statement here. Why didn't you come and write statement for that Jpac? That Gabalaga, you refused to come and write statement for him. When he was calling you to come and write statement for him, so that Ogechi will not picture you properly. But think about other people. Say make them all come out. You see why I don't make? Because you're not relevant. Because I'm that you are until the gap put off for me. And they say church one jaga. Say hey nyegiri. Say nage. Say one nage taking a big blow up. It can only take time. It can only take time. Mark my words. And I'm not the why would I come you? I won't send the kidnappers. And the one criminal I hide on that fake account was busy saying, Ogechi, if you know that you did not commit a crime, then why are you running? You guys were a bad criminal justice. Bad, because I see nowhere that a civil matter, you should arrest me on that civil matter. For what? All of you are criminals. Why all of you? Okay, this is even a woman in America. Bien biatra yamu we justice in a prevail. Ama the okay on a Nigeria come no me. Everything happened in this judiciary. Everything happened in America. Anything you want to try me, I'm an American citizen. You can't try me in Nigeria. So too bad. You cannot try me in Nigeria. My damn potaga means it until una gaze court to go find her house. You guys should go there and find be educated amount of useless to shinga for chineka or gokun. And another 200,000 in here to contribute to my life. Ega 1 weekend. Gonna pretend that that's in this. Get out of here now before my block walking. You gave 200,000 kg may my arrest. May you never see anything good in your life. That money in here will be your transfer. Shinga wanna before come that Nelly Baba Wogi. Get the fuck out of don't comment on my platform. Oh. Respect your wiki. Chineka Pogonu. Get the fuck out of here. I don't want anywhere around you. Stay 100% away from me. You contributed money keji babu na Nigeria. You contributed money keji warm acid. You contributed money keji poison. Ma putaga beba comment me tonda babu wogi. At least I'm bomb na the other line. From na this my second line. Ejimin K na where I made program. You contributed 200,000. Kahabia warm acid. You contributed money. Kenyan poison nyabuomu. You gave that to Chineke Pongonu. And I told you 200,000. In your quarter, that's criminal, intelligent criminal. 200,000. This guy in a garden, nobody knows his identity. Then I want people who will come in she. You will die a miserable death. For knowing very well, we get Nigeria. Did you ever? Okay, get mission on a social media. One on your like police in a someone who a bandit, a real criminal. Ima ho nyowu na hide on the comment, na hide on the dark name program. Get with it. Get with it 200,000 year. Go be poison. Can get with support to go to come and kill me na Nigeria. Ma pegana comment. May you never see anything good. Oh, God, okay. As long as you're living in Nigeria, and Nigeria, some accidental death will visit you. It can 1 weekend. It can 1 weekend. Mark my words. As long as you will put an egg on, you're a criminal. Man on that fake. Na hide your man. Nan on that fake, nan on that dark. Parading everywhere. On your last shall be yo. Get a hide your way. Now, what happened to Shalabeke Yaga Babu? As far as you will put an egg cookie to support this ideology, educate 1 weekend. You will never see anything good. It can 1 weekend. Well, let me block you, self. Wait. Kebino. Let me block you. Get out of my platform. I don't want to see you. Go to your platform and address anything you want to address. Fuck off. Fuck out of here. Get out of here, Chineka Bogokun. For you. Shingafo, Tonda Babugi. As far as it would a lego. Near somebody for Gahanya. No, you fully well that you had this guy in a level, he terrorized in Dolan and Labeke. He's sure, but don't you pull your car? You want a problem, you're not Toyaka. Now, check places. This guy will be working without nobody knowing his identity. Oh, him no job also. Oh, him no job also everywhere. Get where they go near because so get I'm not Nigeria. God na garu ni iche. Better put them no ko babuomu. As far as this to contribute, you're going educate. If you don't visit on weekend, okay, generation, okay. Ebi so contribute to any genye meko. Or any so contribute to any ego kabia buomu. It's to contribute any ego bianya bu kanya mishika. You know how bad our country is. You know there is no justice in that country. You know how bad it is. That all when you're not the honor, when you not small good themselves. Look at what happened to Mazen and the Kano. This is what you guys want to put me through. This is exactly what you guys would. That's why you guys tagged me that I was raising money for iPop. There where they go sponsor. Back age sponsor AJ booking. If you even have any. Country that doesn't work. Country where justice and a flip than ya win justice. Because who would then on ground? And yeah, because I went with somebody on ground and I got them. That is why you guys think you can manipulate the system and hold me there with it just getting. Do you guys have power? I'm going to check December 2nd. Back and go for work. Back and go. I will make the prison accused that they smuggled to me. Now I can't call Maggie Chipura way tuberculosis. Again, way tuberculosis. Again, way tuberculosis. I bet concord. So you don't have. So the assurance that you was giving all these criminals, all these your fellow criminals, the assurance that you was giving them that Ogechi can never step her foot. That Ogechi with a series and series of, and in the series of court cases, you're not presenting it to them. But the series of court cases, you are not presenting it to them. The one you're talking about is the one that you guys concord all the lies. Namsul 500 million. Eh? Now, what have your court case got to do with Nwanne Abuja? You see how evil these people were. What have Ogechi's 500 million naira got to do with it? A civil matter that Uno just jam 1 year to turn to criminal fights. Uno get be back on no. Akwa ask your shimini. I will share one another way that court will look for me. Yes, Judge declare them second wanted. Judge going to court. Abraham Abuja. Who told them only the Allah. As far as this blue at this time. Who told them that they dig this crown the other panime? Peace all the room to don't. I get charged them, Papa. I get charged because for me, Otilo. Comprendo video, no room they play well. For me, you guys want to punish me. Abiram court, you guys carry that seed, you want to pour me acid. And you want me to come back? No. I escaped. Abraham Osondum. I ran for my dear life. Abraham court, you guys brought people. You guys brought people to come and fight me in the court. And telling me that they will punish me. And you want me, that God gave me second chance. You want me to come back? No, I got to run for my life. That opportunity, you guys cannot smell it anymore. That opportunity, you guys cannot smell me again. As far as you guys sent that shower, you guys came to fight me. As far as you guys promised to pour me acid. As far as you guys planned to poison me. You guys sent, I ran for my life. It will never happen. I escaped death. I personally escaped death. Because I see no reason why you guys should come to court and fight me. I see no reason why you guys should come to the court to fight me. I see no reason why that you guys should be writing my court date telling me that you guys will meet me there. I see no reason why you guys are posting that you are waiting for me in the court. People that already sent a threat warning to me. And they want me to come to court again. You lied. I will never. That was why I was running for my life. You will never set your eyes on me. Anything you want to do, make una go to one. You guys plan to punish me. Brought two hefty criminals to come and fight me. Keep making posts to telling the whole world this is what Ogechi is coming to court. That you guys will match there. The same people that came to arrest me. We are announcing to the whole world. Posting it. Telling them dates that you are coming there to do what? To women me? Unal alamu wahala alamu. You guys, they ruin somebody else. You guys should go and kweme somebody else. You can't kweme me. You guys brought all your people to come and kweme me in a court. Came to fight me. The same people is sending to come and arrest me, and the same people posting, telling the whole world, telling their group that Ogechi will be caught so dates. How are they knowing the court dates if you're not the one passing information to them? How are they knowing the court dates if you're not the one passing information to them? Telling people that I can never escape Nigeria, that you guys are monitoring me, and they have opportunity to run away. When no one you cannot threaten me. Put it in practice, not even that only threatening. You put it in practice by sending your Iran and Iraq to come and fight me in the court of law. You can't see me. So however you guys want to do, all on a post, I recorded it, I screenshotted it. All on our updates, I screenshotted it. The very day you guys came to court, I noted it down. So you guys should go and look for who to kweme, not Ogechi. That is why when I came in here, I kept wings. Because I told him, deceive you. Agama Nigeria, you no go know. No one go they enter Nigeria. Yeah, 3 times since I came back since July. But as far as you guys send people to come and fight me in the court, making posts, telling everyone that this is Ogechi case here, you guys are coming, that you are going to video me, allow your people to come and wolamu. No, I can't. You can't see me. Nigeria, there is no security, and my life is at stake. I am not protected. So go and judge yourself. All these threats. Anybody that wants to record this, record it. Send it. The reason why record wire, screen record wire, this part, screen record wire and post it, and pass it to your lawyers or your judges, that I personally ran away from my life. The very day judge gave me what they call it, bail. These 2 ladies came to fight me in the court, promising that they will kill me. They made it open to my hearing that even if I'm released from this thing, that they will kill me, that they will pour acid on me. I was saved through the interventions of those wardress. They came to court prepared, telling me that fate of Ogechi and Mirabel, both of them were sent, and couples with others that were waiting for me outside. They came in group. Fate of Ogechi, Mirabel, the so-called witness, and couples with the people they came trying to choke me to death if it's not the intervention of those wardresses. Even told me that they are ready to kill, even if that judge in Yemu, if I meet the bad condition, that they will come and pour me acid any day I'm coming. That they will pour me acid, they will use knife, they threatened me. That I don't know the people that are waiting for me outside. That day they fought, they gave them order to move them outside and want them not to come into that premises. My life is at stake. My life is at stake. Not only that, I was driven out of my house one very day. They have made this threat. They have made this threat not once, not twice, not third. I have all the comments. I have evidence. I have evidence that Ogechi, that I will not come at this Nigeria alive. Because they are many. I don't know who is who. Majority of them are under fake accounts. And they are carrying all their threats. If I'm blind, let them confirm from the word dresses. I escaped that very day because they were many. They were many. They came to take my life. Now, not only that, the day I was driving out of my house, luckily for me, my car had accident. So I changed the second car. When put the second car, my driver blew that motor. Ghana mechanic. After one my driver, she away is Ogechi. Like all we have they don't want money. Na have to gamu. My driver go na me na ma gawaga Abuja number flight to Abuja. My driver had to call me. Madam, anywhere you are, no come back house again. See my incident. Not only that, even Nage unknown place. I don't know how these people discovered it. Had to pay the woman to poison me. How to pay the woman to poison me. So, how there is no security in Nigeria? There is nothing. You cannot be jeopardizing my life. I have kids to take care of. I have children to take care of. I have my mother to come. So, all of una threat to take my life. You can't see me in court. Now here, we go finish. Whatever necessary means, una won't take, make una come carry me from America, come back. I have documented my story already. I have reported my case already. I just came to America. I have reported my case. This is what I survived. Thank God we contacted America then when I was in Nigeria. So, you guys should find another way to come and carry me. You guys is all this group of people here in Planigra. Now you guys have presented the case to the court. Why are you now looking for my life? Why are you now gathering to take my life? Are you guys not the one that presented the case to court? Why are you guys coming to the court to fight me? The so-called witness, the so-called Mirabel that is a witness, came with the faith, the one that claimed that she's an army general, came to court to fight me. They even assured me that if I escape Berlin, that I will not escape the acid and the Timu. Did you get the scenario? As far as you guys have planned all these things, looking for my head, it will never work. I cannot come to court. I have made it open now. You can't see me, whether Wednesday, or Thursday, or Friday, or December 3rd. All on a plan to take my life. After that second, Kunuga home pam pam na Facebook. You guys claimed that you guys have did peace for 80%. Then 20% won't be the so-called people, you're telling them to come, bring your petition, come, I will do this for you. You have hired the lawyers. You came to get justice for her. Why are they fighting me? Why are they trying to take my life? Why are they fighting me? Mona, what dress? Did I mention their names? Did I call them? Why are they fighting me? You guys made several videos about it. You guys did not hide it. That you guys came to court to fight me. So, God gave me second chance to escape. And I have, that is why many people don't want to come to Nigeria. That is why Nigeria is not safe. Nothing justified in that country. Look at what Mazen Nandekam is passing through. Look at what he's passing through. This is the justice system we have in Nigeria, where your life is not protected. Where people will be threatening you that your life, that they will take your life. So you guys think I will shut up? You guys think I will shut up? No, I will not shut up. I will speak for the common innocent people that work so hard in abroad, that they should be mindful of the kind of people they operate with in Nigeria. There is no justice in Nigeria. Anything, they will do it on the ground just to take your life. And I refuse to be those that will be numbered. I refuse to be those, you guys. Let me tell you, you see, all the things you guys are planning, hiding on that and planning to take money, it will not work. You guys took the case to court. Why are you planning all this evil to take me? Even at my presence, you guys say, now, George, if George like making give me, say, una go pour me acid. Say, una go pour me. All on a threats. Even you guys, the same fate or Gochuku made a video that very day. All these videos are intact. You made video that now Nina send the people na monitor na that thing. You see how far they went. You see how far they went. Now they send the people in correctional center to go and monitor me, to video me. They even brought my picture. Who video me? So if you guys can threaten me inside prison and monitor me and pay people to come and monitor me in prison, how do you think my life is at stake? How do you think my life is not at stake? How do you think that Ogechi will survive when I'm walking to court without no security? I even came for the second time. I took the risk. The threat still continue. I'm on TikTok. 260 is watching me on TikTok. You can join on TikTok. When the line is my account on TikTok, I will never keep quiet. As far as I made it alive, I said I will be the one to tell my story. Nobody. Arrest. Than to keep speaking. I am the victim, and I will keep speaking. Nobody. Gashem will keep quiet. And well, let me bien. Halina or Gikenga or Genana Bogi. If you talk rubbish, I go block you. If you talk nonsense, I go block you. Don't dare me. I'm not here to answer rubbish question. I'm not here to answer unintelligent rubbish question. As far as you came out that day, they were announcing that I came out. You said no, that you have your intel. You get put that intel in when another prison. You will go and bring out with that PJ Fashimu, that one that is working on that one, madam. Two of you anchored that program, that one inside that is monitoring me up and down, trying to take my life. I will never keep quiet. If you think it's ending, it's not ending anytime soon. All of you that perpetuated this evil act to take my life, you can't see me again. I will not show up. And these are the reasons why I cannot be there. Coming to court, my life is at stake. Walking out of court, my life is at stake. Every move I make, they are monitoring me. They are announcing to their unknown criminals online, posting the date of my court day, telling people to come, that this is the very day Ogechi is having court. Announcing it, telling the whole world, please share this program on TikTok. Share the program, tag your friends. Double tap, share it. On a plan, you know, go walk. Now let me show you guys video how they gathered. People I don't know, people that I have not seen. Over 30 men came to arrest me. Let me show you guys. It's only let's declare Ogechi wanted again. I have already made myself open here that I escaped death. Because thank God that time I was in Nigeria, I contacted US Embassy. I made all the necessary means and they paid off. None of you can jungle justice me. Can jungle justice me. None of, if you don't know, no get you what they are all your con. Now with them are all more William Square. I have all these things recorded. None of you can do jungle justice on my head. It's not gonna work. Let me show you Not even police came to arrest me. They brought vigilante. Because that's why I don't even know who's who. I wish I realized none the vigilante. When he gave me map, I gave me but I'm vigilante. I'm regional police. I don't know who is who. That day they came. Everywhere. What? Let's go know original police. I was thinking it's original police. I never knew that these people went and called vigilantes. Hundreds of men. I'm maybe handshake. Or you just land there today, the next day may arrest. Wait, let me play it. But you guys have forgotten so soon how I escaped that. If these people were to, why am I afraid of police? I will not be afraid of police. I'm not afraid of courts. I'll be here better than the allow. But I have to be alive before I will do what I will pay. You cannot call me before I will pay. It's not done. Let me leave first so I can know how to speak. Even if I am found guilty, then I face the law. But you cannot say on the process, you want to come and take my life. If you want me to stay there, actually, who fight to run, live to fight for another day. Who fight to run, live to fight for another day. I have already made all my necessary documentation. I escaped death. I escaped death. In Nigeria. Oh, I'm not Ogechi here. Now I'm still breathing. They just want to use police and cut to cover it. But those that are behind it, these criminals, Jpac put them here. Jpac, oh, I don't know. I don't know. You don't understand that Ogomana do with last time. I don't know that Governor Onyoshi that don't understand that Ogomana have with last time. I don't know. You guys brought me in the timeline of Tukwememi. You should even proud that I will pay dearly with my life, Governor Onyoshi. You opened your mouth and stated it in the video, and you guys put it in practice. Not only that you opened your mouth, you put it in practice. A country that I have not been for how many years? You guys gathered on a criminal people to come and take my life. And you want me to go back again. To do what? Every day that I'm gonna go to court, you announce it to the whole to the door to give unknown people. Together. Hold on. Let me block you. Aya, get the fuck out of here. And when time to come and answer Ndigbo. Aya, fuck off. Shinga phone. Let me play the video. How they came. Even one of the useless idiot that this one no arrest. I'm coming. 2026 one of the useless idiots. Here about our bathroom. Kobe who made them the naked. Kobe boots of all get about the naked. Churum chubam na bathroom. Ebem no. Omama wamoto. Omama yimefe. Omama tukula mefe. The first thing we have about na bathroom. Break a camera to video me. To video me. To bring that Ogechi nakedness or one in a home. Because that is his priority, to define women. To define women. Ashimonu Chereno. No, also, I'm a good demonian. Can't have talk. And when Gemeli, why are you hiding your face? You unintelligent criminal. Why are you hiding your? Ashim, don't worry. He hide the career, guy hide your 5 years more. I made it to you as a promise. I think I'm a lawyer. You are personating lawyers. I think I'm a lawyer. We will test that in due time. You will test that. I think it's like a come down a page. Let me even Zagazi. They came to the Beribum na court. No go home. Don't worry. Gonna go see me. This is how they came. Look how many they were. Okay. All these guys. Now wait. All those guys who gave everywhere, they all came together. They did not even video all of them. Because Saga, in a hotel, Pota, did you post it? Actually, keep post a full video. That one, had been home inside hotel. Actually, keep post the full video. In on in a hotel, honey, Neju, Mankan about stairs. Actually, keep post the full video. In about stairs, honey, all the men you put on about or phone. All these people, I have not even seen their face. I have never seen them before. I'm not in the house. They all came in a large way. To come and get me. Now, are you guys police? Who police? I'm not doing it. Nigeria, everybody now, be careful. Don't go all of a sudden down everywhere. There are somebody memorial service in Naya. There are somebody memorial service in Naya. That was how I was apprehended. That was how I was captured. Nobody were able to say, no, stop. This lady Chotrabo. This lady Chotrabo. Why are you guys coming to arrest her? Why are you guys coming to arrest her? Come on, Lacheji. They work with the hotel people. I don't know what happened. Now, make a show now. Big up post on that one. That one. I wanted this one. This one, the short. You think I wanted the last video when they want to push me inside their car. You never make my accused. Now, I have many people in the southeast. Now they know fully well that if you attach, if you attach your name with hip-hop, you get a very big problem within the Nigerian government. This Amusu, this devil himself, this Drayo Morocco, this molested Negugu Mashanike. Many people in the southeast. He just want to werela nu ewe gitere na abali nye gam n'olu. Some people so get you, let go of Guinea. Let go of what? Because post on that video, that particular one. Jeju Negi, that Ajije Jogamu, James, go to your mother and say Negi, why you jine ba pandemic teneyame? After Omochwarunu, Unebilie. Gaju Negi na Nagi, why are they still fighting? Alana Proha for years. If you can Negi say other question, you come and ask me. Jeju Nagi na Negi, why are they fighting for the land? Oh man, you guys can buy another land. Why are they still fighting for that family land? And they get your drum, man. You chada your useless mother that thing. Get the drum that attitude. Mommy, I thought now we are grown. Why are you guys fighting with that piece of land that will kill you? Get the drum, but then I will know what to tell you. Ndo when also. Now, this one, Agala. Now, listen what Jpac said. Listen, Jpac said, I'm going to have one nail. And I accepted it. I'm going to have one nail until we go. Because I home onye yana madoga one. I saw you yesterday crying like a chicken yo, crying like a wokam mini wo, crying like onyam no that the latest news now. Ogagi biri go biri na jo chan. Uncle Nepuna and Newi. I went to with that time I'm not gonna name which agent research upon research. I bring the 2026 got wave everlasting oppression in your head. Apa mi hem jabega kan. Apa mu yoko yo. Apa mu na aka na abia.